Hi, I'm Landon Earls. I am the coding teacher here at Shadow Ridge High School for our software development and app design program. It's a 3-year program. First year covers the basics of programming. We focus on Python, HTML, JavaScript, CSS. Second year, some more advanced topics in Python. At the end of the second year of the program, students can sit for their Microsoft certification. Third year is an internship. So if you get started freshman year, by your third year, by junior year, you could be working in industry with a Python certification, Microsoft Python certification. Second year students, right now, we're working on a Pong game. So we're using Python for some game development. Students who are taking the program are interested in careers in IT, network security, game design, game development, or anyone who's just really interested in learning more about coding. So if you are interested, I'd suggest talking with your counselors, taking a look at our website, or contacting me directly. All right, I hope to see you soon. Bye.